How are you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Good. It's going to be a big show, huh?
Yep, at 9:45.
Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what are you guys doing this year? Are you going through backpacks like you did last year?
No, you asked that. You were here earlier and
Yes, I
you asked
was.
the sheriffs and all that. No, they're not doing that this year. We're just letting people know that any alcohol, they already know the rules. We're explaining to them on the beach. The sheriff is controlling that area right there.
So why did they change the policy?
I have no idea. You have to ask the land management people. They're the one that changed the policy for this year.
Did you talk to them?
No.
Did they talk to you?
No, excuse me. I'm sorry. Do you guys have any alcohol with you?
No.
All right, thank you so much. Yeah, if you want to talk to them, their office is right over there.
Thank
They
you.
can explain everything.
Thank you
all
very
right?
much.
You're
Very
welcome.
polite.
You're welcome.